Generally, when we're unboxing stuff, it's things that you've seen before, new variants of stuff you've seen. It's a new phone, it's a new tablet, it's stuff that you generally know what to expect. What if I told you I got something brand new that I have literally never seen before? These are the Bose Frames, and usually when you think about Bose, you think of this, or this. Sunglasses might not come to the top of your mind, but Bose is getting in the sunglass game, but obviously with some smart tech. So obviously they're sunglasses that you wear, but they're also Bluetooth headphones. You can also make phone calls with them. You can listen to music. It's sunglasses with like a soundtrack. I know that these were shown like in super early concept at South by Southwest, but as far as I know, we're the first channel that's actually like had these physical retail units. They'll be $199. There's two different versions. There's an Alto and a Rondo. We've got the Alto version here, so let's see what's inside. It's a Bose box. So I want to thank Bose for sending these over and sponsoring this video, but all these impressions are 100% my own, and these are legit products that I wanted to check out. Actually, I saw Michael Fisher's impressions on them at South by Southwest, and kind of since then I wanted to take a look at them. All right, so here are the sunglasses. Looking straight on, they look like sunglasses. On the side, though, you can definitely see that there's some battery and electronics going on in there. In the little pouch, let's see what else we got. We got charging cable, and it is a magnetic charging cable to charge your sunglasses. So put these suckers on. All right, so the general idea is like you need to wear sunglasses and you got to make phone calls, listen to music. You don't have to carry two things. You don't have to charge two things. You just have your sunglasses and they can do it all. So they do look like normal sunglasses, but again, definitely on the side, you can see that there's a little bit of chunk happening there for all the electronics. I should also mention this is gonna do at some point some sort of augmented reality type stuff. So like they're talking to me. So I could look at like an Italian restaurant, I could tap the button and it would tell me like the hours of operation or how long the wait is. That kind of features are coming. All right, so I've set these up with my iPhone XS Max, and like they're sunglasses, so they gotta hit a couple things. First, they have to be comfortable, and they do feel comfortable on my face. I don't have like the biggest face in the world. They're available in small or large. Bose sent us the large, so like I'd probably go for the small, but it's not uncomfortable on my face. I tried listening to music, and being Bose, you'd expect the audio fidelity to be good. It sounds really good. I mean, it almost sounds like I have headphones on, but obviously I can hear everything around me. So the one caveat, if you're wearing these indoors, people will be able to hear your conversation or your music, but if you're outdoors, it actually tends to kind of blur into the background noise. So it is nice to put on a pair of sunglasses and walk around and be able to make phone calls. There's one button which will pull up Siri or Google Assistant. That worked really well. We tested it outside, and our office is like right by a freeway. So it does a pretty nice job, even with a lot of ambient noise, being able to like hear stuff. So I think if you want just like to carry one thing with you on a commute, or you don't want to have to worry about charging multiple devices, this is a pretty sweet setup. So this is a brand new like product category. I'm gonna use these for a while. This isn't a product you can do like first impressions and be like, here's a definitive review of the Bose Frames. I wanna try them. I wanna try them for days and weeks and see how call quality is, see how battery life holds up, see how audio is in different situations. There's a lot of stuff that I wanna test, and if something that you guys wanna see us test, let us know in the comments down below. We're gonna do a follow-up video. So totally new product from Bose. Let us know again down below what you guys think. If you guys like the look, let me know. Until next time, I'm Rettinger from Techno Buffalo, and I may be rocking out to some Baby Shark.